Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make gulgula. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 cup of self-rising flour, half a cup of raw sugar, some oil for frying, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of water, 1 dried banana, half a teaspoon of cardamom seeds which I have crushed, 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut and 1/4 cup of sultanas which I have washed and drained well. Mash your bananas using a fork and put it aside. Take a big dish, sift in your self-rising flour using a sifter or a strainer. Add your crushed cardamom, desiccated coconut and your sugar. Now use a spoon and mix it well. Add sultanas and mix it again. Add water and milk and mix it well to combine using a spoon. Add bananas and mix it again. My gulgula batter is ready. Now it's time to fry them. Take a plate and line it with some paper towel. To fry the gulgulas, take a wok or fry pan, add some oil, put it on very low heat and heat it for 5 minutes. Make sure the heat is on low, otherwise the gulgulas will brown very quickly on the outside and will be gooey in the center. There are 2 ways for making your gulgulas. You can either use your hand or 2 teaspoons. I'm going to show you both the methods. First, I will show you using a teaspoon. So take 1 small teaspoon of batter and with the help of the other teaspoon, just drop it into the oil. To use your hands, take a small amount of batter in your hand and with the help of your thumb and your fingers, just drop small amounts into the oil. Turn them over when you start to see a brown color around the bottom of the gulgulas. Turn them frequently after this stage so you can cook them evenly. It should take about 4 to 5 minutes per batch. Take them out once you get the desired color and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this process until you have finished making up all your gulgula. My gulgula is ready. You can serve them warm or cold. Enjoy.
If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.